Okay, so we're here at Wichita Falls Athletic Club today, and what we want to talk about is the position of the snatch for the jumping position. This position gets confused for various reasons in how we've explained it to you. So today we want to tie all those explanations together so there's no more confusion. So most people start off learning the clean first, or the power clean first. And in the lift, as you know, we teach the hang position, and we teach the jumping position after that. And in the jumping position, the arms are straight, the grip is wide relative to the deadlift, the bar is against the thigh, so it's on mid-thigh against the body, the knees and hips are bent, and the center of mass of the barbell lifter system is over midfoot. At this point, the shoulder will be directly over the bar. Okay, so during the clean, as you hit this point and jump, the bar is carried up very close to the body and then racked. Now, you've heard a couple of different things, and this is where the confusion comes in. Okay, so with the snatch, we have a similar approach as we teach it. We teach the hang position, right? Just standing with the bar held in straight arms, but this time the grip's much wider. And the hang position is higher than it was in the clean with a narrower grip, okay? And it's on the lap in between the ASIS and the pubis, okay? And we tell you in the book that the hang position and the jumping position are the same. Now, they're the same in terms of where the bar is on the body. Okay, so people get that idea in their mind, and they get confused about how they have to jump. But remember, when you jump, you're going to go in the alignment of the bent knees and the hips, just like you did in the clean. Now, where people really get confused as they're doing this is they think of the jumping position on the thigh that they learned during the clean and try to use that with their snatch grip. Now, if you were to jump in this position, the bar is going to be out away from the body, and that's not good for the snatch. Remember, we want it to come up as close as possible to a straight vertical line, very close to the body. Now, this is how you keep from making that mistake. Get into your clean jumping position, and let's look at the alignment on the body. Okay, don't think of it as touching the thigh. We do that sometimes, but right now just think of it as the alignment. Your arms are straight, your grip is wide, the bar is against the body, knees and hips are bent, balanced over midfoot in this position. All right? Now, without moving anything else, as carefully as you can, just walk your hands out into your snatch grip. Surprise! Here we are in the snatch jumping position. The difference is simply the wider grip, which is going to carry the bar up on our body. All right? So you're not going to be jumping from down here. Your jumping position is really basically the same position. The bar is just higher up on the body. All right? So as you practice the snatch and you teach the snatch, keep this in mind. Remember, the bar's position against the body is going to be much higher in the snatch because of the grip, and you can easily show someone where it is by just doing this very simple walk out procedure. All right? Looking for the alignment. Again, the alignment is just the same. The alignment is the same between the two jumping positions, right? Knees and hips bent, body in balance over the midfoot, shoulders directly over the bar. All right? Jumping in this position will allow the bar to be carried up very close to the body, as straight, in as straight of a line as we can get it. And that's what we want to see in the lift. So now let's take a look and see how this comes together with Josh here demonstrating. All right? So when you learned to power clean, you're going to take the bar using the clean grip, and he's going to take it up to the first position we teach, which is the hang position. All right? So you notice where this is on his body. Now he's going to lower the bar into his jumping position for the clean. Now just pay attention to the alignment, right? The bar is on his thigh. His arms are straight, his shoulders are over the bar, and he's in a position to jump because he has bent knees and hips, and he's in balance. Now, straighten up into the hang, move your hands out into the snatch grip, okay? So here he is with a much wider grip on the bar, okay? So here's the hang position of the snatch, and you'll notice it's on his lap in between his pubis and the top of his pelvis, okay? Now, remember, the hang position of the snatch and the jumping position are the same for where they're touching your body, but he's going to lower his hips and knees into the jumping configuration. So here he goes, he's in position. You see that his lats are pulling the bar back against that position on his body. It's higher than it was in the clean jumping position, but the configuration is the same. The alignment is the same. His arms are straight, the shoulders over the bar, his knees and hips are bent, and he's balanced so that when he jumps, the bar can travel straight up. All right? Now just real quick, I'm going to have Josh do that drill we talked about. So starting in the clean hang position, you can show this to somebody who's learning. Take them down to the clean jumping position that they're already familiar with. Now just slowly walk your hands out to the correct position of the snatch, allowing the bar to come up, but the rest of your body to stay in position. And you'll see that as he does it, here it is in the right place, and when he returns to the hang position, there it is. Okay, so even though these seem like contradictory ideas, we have the hang position of the snatch and the jumping position are in the same position during the snatch on the body. When he goes down into the jumping position, like he's actually about to jump, you'll see that the bar is lower, but now his hips and knees are bent so that he can actually jump. And if he squishes his hands back to the clean position, the bar is going to move down the body, but be in the same alignment on the clean. So again, straight arms, the bar is on the body. In this case with the clean, it's in the middle of the thigh. His shoulders are over the bar, knees and hips are bent, so he's in a position to jump. And when he does, it's gonna stay very close to the body in the clean, just like it should do in the snatch, because we position the alignment of the jump to make that happen.